Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today I'm presenting you this 2018 F-150 XLT in this beautiful magma color. You might say, what is magma? Magma is extremely dark burgundy and looks absolutely beautiful. Coming into the truck, you can see it is sporting this 60/40 bench seats, which allows for 6 passengers in this F-150. 6! As you can tell, these are just gray cloth seats, but they're absolutely gorgeous and super comfy to sit in. You have this large entertainment screen equipped with all kinds of drive modes, Sirius XM, Sync 4, dual heated seats, 2 USB ports, a 12 volt and an AC. Coming back to the bed of this truck, it is already equipped with an entire drop-in bed liner, perfect for any outdoor needs and rough and bangs that your truck will face. Finally, moving into the back seat of the truck, you can tell there's optimal room for passengers or any storage needs that you'll ever have. This 2018 F-150 XLT is sitting at just below 50,000 miles. Come in today at Maguire's in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. Ask for Mason Stamen, and we'll put you in this bad boy. Thank you so much, guys.